Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My Islamic brothers and my Islamic sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Muhammad Saklan and welcome back to our Alham Network channel. Viewers, this channel is dedicated to Islamic videos and I am honored to have you all join me inshallah. Before watching this video, viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Dear viewers, today inshallah we will discuss about the 7 hidden signs that you protect by Allah. Viewers, may the peace, mercy and blessings of Allah be with you all. In the grand tapestry of life, there are moments when we feel a gentle touch, a guiding hand, a sense of security that transcend the ordinary. These are the whispers of divine protections, the subtle sign that Allah the most merciful is watching over us. We shall delve into 7 hidden signs that indicate you are under Allah's divine care. Now viewers, the first is the gift of gratitude. Gratitude is a cornerstone of faith. When you find yourself expressing gratitude for even the smallest blessings, it is a testament to Allah's grace. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The most grateful persons, the one who is grateful for the least." Gratitude is a shield against the trial of life, a acceptance that every good thing comes from Allah. Now viewers, the second is the presence of patience. Viewers, patience is a virtue that is often tested. When you find yourself enduring hardship with steadfastness, it is a sign that Allah is strengthening your resolve. The Quran reminds us, "And will surely test you with a touch of fear, hunger, loss of wealth, lives and fruits, but glad tidings to the steadfast." Now viewers, the third is the company of righteous people. Viewers, the company we keep can significantly influences our lives. When you find yourself surrounded by people who strive to live according to Islamic principles, it is a sign that Allah is guiding you towards the right path. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "A person is on the religion of his friend, so let him be careful whom he befriends." Righteous companions are a source of support and encouragement. Now viewers, the fourth is the love of Allah and His Messenger. Viewers, love for Allah and His Messenger is a fundamental aspect of faith. When you find yourself experience a deep affections for Allah and His Prophet, it is a sign that your heart is connected to the divine. The Quran reminds us, those who believe in Allah and His Messenger and those who strive and fight in the way of Allah with their wealth and their lives, they are the true believers. They will have a great rewards from their Lord. Now viewers, the fifth is the ability to forgive. Viewers, forgiveness is a powerful act that can heal wounds and bring peace. When you find yourself able to forgive those who have wronged you, it is a sign that Allah is purifying your heart. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The most complete believers is the one who has the best character." Forgiveness is a reflection of a heart that is under Allah's protection. Now viewers, the sixth is the presence of inner peace. Viewers, inner peace is a precious gift. When you find yourself experiencing a sense of tranquility and contentment even among challenges, it is a sign that Allah is comforting your soul. The Quran reminds us, Allah has promised those who believe and do righteous deeds that He will surely give them a good life on earth and a beautiful home in the hereafter. Now viewers, the last, seventh, is the sense of Allah nearness. Viewers, the feeling of Allah nearness is a profound experience when you find yourself feeling a deep connecting to Allah, a sense of His presence in your life. It is a sign that you are under His divine care. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best of people are those who love Allah and are loved by Him." Conclusion: these 7 hidden signs are merely into the vastness of Allah's mercy and protections. They are reminder that even in the among of life trails, we are never alone. Allah is always watching over us, guiding us and protecting us. By recognizing these signs and striving to love according to His guidance, viewers, we can tap into the infinite blessings of His divine peace. Now viewers, we can tap into the infinite blessings of His divine peace. Now viewers, here is our today video in which we read about the 7 hidden signs that you protect by Allah. I hope that you have liked today's video. May Allah gives us the ability to understand the religion of Islam and follow it. Thank you so much for your watching. Keep supporting and stay connected with us for more Islamic videos.